surprising how much them sound cubes handle. Damn, I mean, he's got bigger coils, but
yeah.
Other than that, I think the spiders are a little better.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Chris Snow. We got running Twisted Sounds 3.5K, 2 Sound Cube HDS 3.1s, and 2 DD 700 Redlines. Okay. And mids and highs just ES18. Highs. I got a little bit of everything. Massive in the back, Alpine.
Nice. Are those separate chambers or together?
No, this is one chamber. Now.
One chamber with 2 10s and 12s?
No, 4 12s. They're all 12s.
Oh, sorry. This is different types of subs. Okay.
Yeah.
So 4 and 12. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I was running 4 of the 8. I seen you running the ACX. That's what I hear you.
Yeah. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Yeah, I can get it from here. I don't have it here, but yeah, I hit the X4s. Awesome.
Regulator on there keeps dropping out.
Oh, your voltage dropping? Yeah.
I don't know what it is. I bought a fucking I'm getting to make that now.
Yeah. Can I see the back real quick? Awesome. Thank you, Chris. Everybody give a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Back to check out the back. Hit the like button. Really appreciate it. Very nice. And you got, is this where another hobby you got, or is it just decorative? Or?
No, it ain't decoration.
Nice. I like it.
Kind of hard to find. You know how expensive this hobby is.
Oh, I know. I understand, dude. Yes, I do. Nice. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
So, Sound Cube and DDs. Sweet.
Yeah.
They're built in the same area anyway, so.
Yeah. And it's surprising how much them sound cubes handle. Damn, I mean, he's got bigger coils, but
yeah.
Other than that, I think the spiders are a little better. But
yes, sir.
I mean, for the price wise, you can't beat them sound cubes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I like to hear it, man.
Making clutch throb and
Regulator on the alternator keeps dropping out.
Oh, your voltage dropping? Yeah.
I don't know what it is. I bought a fucking shit with it. I'm getting regulator now.
Yeah. Can I see the back real quick? Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Chris.
Chris. Awesome. Thank you, Chris. Everybody give a like.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.